They should also be used outside the court when reading documents related to the trial. The rest of the actants are not required to wear them. Attorneys cannot use the glasses because they must be able to argue cases in which bias plays a role, like hate crimes. Who would be interested in the construction of this technology? Individuals who often face discrimination in the courtroom based on their race, gender, or sexual orientation, as well as those in support of recent social movements to decrease systematic discrimination. In addition, organizations such as the United Nations Committees on Human Rights, Amnesty International, and the American Civil Liberties Union are likely to be interested. These glasses would be created by a diverse group of stakeholders. Groups faced with discrimination, as well as organizations that defend human rights, should be involved in their creation. They will help to identify biases that should be addressed in order to create a fair and effective technology. Judges, juries, prosecutors, defendants, and their attorneys should be involved in their creation. Their needs should be considered, and this encourages their appropriate use and acceptance into the network. Government should be included because they must mandate, by law, the use of the egalitarian glasses. Technologies are only as effective as the individuals that make them. The egalitarian glasses eliminate biases identified by the humans that created them. With their use, new biases may be revealed, and the glasses should therefore be constantly developed to evolve alongside society, to address any new needs or norms that may arise. Inclusion of a diverse group of stakeholders would strengthen public trust in their fairness and encourage their acceptance by actants in courts. Even though the glasses will not be used by everyone, they will impact human rights for all of society. When discrimination, as it often does, results in wage gaps, housing inequalities, unfair hiring practices, or disparate policing of minority groups, these unfair practices can then be brought to the courtroom where they will be judged fairly and impartially, bringing about human rights improvements for all in a virtuous cycle.